The theme of today's conference is thankfully opening up counties as the new frontier for investments and development. I couldn't concur more with the spirit and the letter of this initiative. Your Excellency, it is true that it is one of the most and effective way of animating the Kenya Kwanza bottom-up economic transformation agenda to have these investments and systematic expansion and devolution of economic activities that then bring economic exclusivity. I therefore laud Kakamega County and the governor for recognizing that Kenya offers by far the most desirable gateway to Africa. You have made the right move to position yourself to harness the unique economic prospects available within this region. And besides your favorable climatic condition, you have very huge potential, and therefore I look forward to working with you in my ministry to support the completion of the county aggregation and industrial parks, to work on other industrial spaces like SEZs and EPZs. And we want to improve the business environment together. We want to support the county through the Kenya Development Corporation to offer affordable credit. As I finish, I want to confirm that we have now finished negotiations of the investment protocol under the AFCFTA that will provide a framework for investment treaties in the continent. I am glad that the SG is here, who I deeply congratulate on his re-election as the SG. We want to thank you again for supporting Kakamega, and we call upon other counties to follow suit as we enhance investment in Kenya.